Hello everyone. Today's topic is the blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. Uh, blood uh, provides nutrition. Blood provides the nutrition which are taken by food to the all tissue parts, all body parts of the all body parts. The blood is fluid connective tissue which consists of plasma and blood corpuscles. First one is plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood which contains water, minerals, or you know, proteins. About mm, total 55% of plasma present in blood, out of which 70%, 70 to 80% of water, mm, 10 to 20% protein, or other in which minerals salt also is present. Next one is blood cells or blood corpuscles. The blood cells or corpuscles includes RBC, WBC, platelets. First one is RBC. The total amount of blood cells present in the blood are 45%, in which first one is RBC. The process of formation of RBCs is called as erythropoiesis. The RBCs carried out hemoglobin or hemoglobin. RBCs contains hemoglobin, which at, uh, which contains oxygen, which hemoglobin attached to four molecules of oxygen and carries throughout the body or provides oxygen to the body from lungs. RBC, RBC blood is red in color due to the presence of heme protein which is present in RBCs. One molecule of RBC carried out four molecules of oxygen. The disease is caused by RBCs or the destructions or low level of RBC is called as erythrocytopenia. Uh, the RBCs, the disease caused by RBCs are sickle cell anemia, plastic cell anemia, etc. The next one is WBC, that is white blood cells. The WBCs carries deoxygenated blood from all body parts to the lungs. The arteries carries oxygenated blood from from the arteries. Red blood cells carries oxygenated blood throughout the body, or WBCs carries deoxygenated blood throughout the body. This is the major difference between RBC and WBC. The process of formation of WBC is called as uh, leukopoiesis. The the process of the decreased level of WBC is called as leukopenia or leukopenia. Uh, the WBC also classified as granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes also classified as acidophils, basophils, and neutrophils, and agranulocytes also classified as macrophages. Uh, Next one is platelets. Platelets are responsible for the blood clotting when mm, when the surface of body or any other parts when injuries occur or blood loss start, then Uh, the blood clotting factors are comes and blood clotting is occur. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days, or about 4.5 to 6.4 millions RBC present in human body in adult. Or in female, 4.1 to 5.6 millions RBCs are present. The count of WBC is mm, 4 to 6 thousand WBC is present. The lifespan of WBCs is 3 to 4 days. The process of formation of blood cells is bone marrow and destruction in the liver. The process of formation of platelets is called as thrombocytosis. Mm, The fibrinogen and thrombin are the factors which is responsible for blood clotting. The proteins such as albumin, globulin, mm, fibrinogen present in blood plasma, in which out of which the albumin is responsible for thickening of the blood. Second is globulin. Immunoglobulin is responsible for the formation of antibodies, which is responsible for immunity. The um, macrophages, which is part of the WBC, is responsible for which is act as scavenger cells or which engulf the microorganisms and protect the body from microbes or infection. Uh, Next, platelets. Platelets, or is also called as thrombocytosis, is formed from the stem cells called as megakaryotes, which is further divided and form thrombocytosis, that is called as platelet. Platelets is played. The count of platelets in normal human body is 1.5 lakh to 2.5 lakhs. Uh, the blood, mm, the blood carries oxygenated. The blood vessels carries oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods, in which RBC carries oxygenated blood, while the WBC carries deoxygenated blood. The color the color of the blood is the red color of the blood is due to the heme protein which is present in the RBCs. The the proteins which is present in plasma, that is immunoglobulin, which is responsible for the production of uh, antibodies, which protects the um, which protects our body from microbes or microorganisms. Next one is the plasma. The minerals present in the plasma, which is responsible for uh, which is responsible for the various activities in the body. The proteins, which is the proteins such as fibrinogen, also also responsible for the clotting, of blood, and the loss of the blood is the blood loss is avoided by the clotting factors such as fibrinogen. The major role of platelets in the blood clotting. Due to this, loss of blood is avoided, and the normal value of blood in human body is 5 to 6 liter. or in female, which is 4.5 to 5.5 liter. Hmm. The blood is mainly plasma and blood cells. The composition of plasma includes mm, proteins, water, minerals, and blood cells include WBC, RBC, or platelets. Thank you.